Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. I am the Crypto Crow, and today we're going to be talking about World Mobile Token. Now, connecting the unconnected can be cliche and something we often hear thrown around a lot in the crypto space. Similar to the rallying cry, banking the unbanked, which is still echoing from the DeFi summer of 2020. Neither of these have been fully operational or even gotten out of development and are mere dreams. World Mobile is not cliche and is not a pipe dream. It's a reality. World Mobile is one of the few projects that are not in development, but actually making a difference in parts of the world where accessing the internet or even cell service has never been an option. They are truly connecting the unconnected with services we take for granted each day, like watching crypto videos on YouTube or calling and texting your friends and family. Today, we're going to dive into World Mobile and their token WMT to see how this company is changing the world one node at a time. First, how is World Mobile attempting to get this done, and how are they already doing it? World Mobile is already working in the African country of Zanzibar to provide connectivity to small remote villages, and the results have been groundbreaking. They accomplished this by using a 3-node system. The Ether node connects to traditional cellular networks to handle protocol translations, and each country requires at least one. The node responsible for connecting to the Ether node and processing transactions as well as securing the network is Earth node. The final node is the Air node, which is a mesh network that uses an array of components from satellites to solar-powered devices. Air node is the heart of the World Mobile network, as it is how service is actually brought to the communities by node operators. Plans are even in place to use aerostats, essentially giant balloons, which can provide services like 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, as well as a host of other services previously inaccessible to these remote regions. The aerostats cannot just make a smart village. Together, they can create a smart country using multiple aerostats as a mesh network. Already, the team is working on stratospheric aerostats, which will reach even greater heights in the aerostats, and to provide the lifeline that is telecommunications and internet, or simply to connect the unconnected. World Mobile Token's max supply of 2 billion tokens and market cap of almost $60 million at the time of this video doesn't make you feel like getting your moon boots on, but the upside is explosive. Out of the 2 billion World Mobile Token max supply, there are currently only 244 million WMT circulating currently, and 20 million of those WMT were sold in a public sale. The founders and team members received about 25% of the total supply, but they are required to lock it up for time periods anywhere from 6 to 18 months, and the rewards are distributed in a linear manner. This means the risk of a pump and dump should be minimal compared to your Elon Chibi Doge Inu project your coworker asked you about. With 3 nodes running the World Mobile Network, there will of course be opportunities to stake to your node operator of your choice and earn World Mobile Token as a reward. Sometimes seeing such a drastic difference in the circulating supply and max supply of a token makes you believe long-term the price per token could drop even if the market cap is rising. But World Mobile attacking the inventable 29% inflation of the World Mobile Token. The way the team is going to accomplish this is by giving higher rewards to Earth node operators and stakers in the beginning of the mainnet and decreasing rewards until the max supply is reached in approximately 20 years. To not only develop, but also to implement such an intricate and complex project takes a great team, possibly even Mr. T and the A-team. The World Mobile Token team, together in 2018 under their founder and CEO, Mickey Watkins, to try and accomplish one goal: connect everyone, everywhere, while advocating for economic freedom and integrity. Trying to create innovation and adoption in the telecom space is not new for Mickey, as previously he founded 3 other businesses. One of those businesses is Cola Technologies, which also attempted to revolutionize the communication industry from 2012 to 2018. World Mobile's team also has 2 other co-founders, one of which is Emmanuel Gratch, who also serves as Chief Investment Officer for World Mobile and brings 5 years of experience from Citibank as TMT, Technology, Media, and Telecom Investment Banker. The rest of the team is fully doxed and brings years of experience, not just in banking and the business world, but also in the telecommunications field. While World Mobile Token and the World Mobile team may not be household names or have a giant social media presence like coins in the top 100, they have a very active and engaging community on Twitter with over 33,000 followers between the two, respectively. We also have to look at how they compare to other native Cardano projects and tokens, not including CNFT degen community. And they hang in there with the likes of Meld and Dana, two Cardano native projects. The YouTube page for World Media has a lot of really cool testimonies and examples of how the team is already changing lives in Zanzibar. They also love to post regular updates on their technology and the progress of the Zeppelins, aerostats. Social media buzz and hype are amazing for exposure of World Mobile Token and World Mobile, and ultimately the WMT token price. But the team seems more interested in truly connecting the unconnected, and not just in remote villages all over the world, but also here at home and in rural areas of America. That stumbled me. Zooming out of the WMT chart will not help you when you're in doubt, like ADA or Bitcoin. However, it did launch in December of 2021, which from a macro perspective was not the greatest time to launch a token. WMT initially dropped almost 40%, but outpaced the majority of the overall crypto market in January and February of this year, hitting an all-time high of 98 cents. WMT, however, has not been immune to the macro pressures of the overall financial markets and recently plummeted to an all-time low of just 17 cents. World Mobile as a company and a token aren't going anywhere, and World Mobile Token currently holds the 6th highest market cap of projects on the Cardano blockchain per CoinGecko. World Mobile Token will not dissipate in this bear market as they continue to build infrastructure for communications, security, and identity for those who need it the most, all on the blockchain. This could inevitably lead to World Mobile Token literally going to the stratosphere. One of the core pillars for the World Mobile Token and team is creating a sharing economy, which reduces operational costs, but also is self-sustaining, as the node operators are incentivized to grow the network. Instead of paying large telecommunications companies to surf the net for the next Bored Ape, you pay people in your community who are running nodes to help you find that next great CNFT project. Murder of crows? Just kidding. This is never more evident when looking at the on-chain data for World Mobile Token. With a total circulating supply of 2 million tokens and 19,881 unique wallet addresses, it averages out to about 1,000 WMT per wallet. After only 1 year of activity, the World Mobile Token contract address already had over 700,000 transactions, or around 1,700 transactions a day. The telecommunications field can be very competitive. Think about how many cell phone providers there are in the US, how many we started with years ago, and how many there are now. World Mobile Token is no exception, as Helium is also aiming to accomplish similar feats by utilizing miners that operate as hotspot nodes to try and provide reliable broadband internet to the masses using Internet of Things. HNT has a market cap over 10 times the size of World Mobile Token and is a formidable opponent, but there are holes in the helium balloon. The biggest of these holes is the profit of the miners needed to operate nodes and run the network. The miners are constantly on back order and run anywhere from $250 to $3,000 and would take years to break even depending on where you live. World Mobile Token can solve this issue by utilizing businesses and entrepreneurs to run an air node, providing telecommunications access to their community that's affordable yet profitable at the same time. Truly a sharing economy. So where can we buy this revolutionary token? Since it is a Cardano native token, it can be tricky to find on your mainstream exchanges. You can purchase it through major exchanges like KuCoin, Bitmart, and Huobi, or if you have a Cardano wallet such as Nami or Daedalus, you can pick up some World Mobile Token on one of the major Cardano dexes like SundaySwap, MinSwap, and MuleSwap. When you are connecting the unconnected, you are building infrastructure to empower the masses the world over, which is ultimately the goal of Cardano, which World Mobile is built on. Even places in Florida still suffer from bad internet, slow internet, and many areas still haven't reached DSL or fiber options for service as companies drag their feet in laying the infrastructure. Considering entire city populations in many countries are without internet connectivity at all, and you can see how demand for World Mobile tech can play a major role in connecting the world by reaching those pockets of people underrepresented by major corporate interests. Thanks for joining me today. I am the Crypto Crow, and until next time, crow your coins.